and your hair's like
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kit. Today I'm going to be going over how I do twist outs. I'm going to show you how to do two of my twist outs, one with flat twists and one with mini twists, and the two different textures that can come out of those kinds of twist outs. My recommendation for 4C hair that looks like mine, I would say medium size twists. So not as small as the ones I'm going to show you in this video, but maybe a little bit bigger. I usually will twist my hair maybe on a Friday or Saturday, take it out like Sunday or no, Monday morning. what no, never take it out like the day before. No, take it out like when you want it to be fresh. Take it out that day, like in the morning or afternoon, whatever, when you need to like wear it and like pop out. That's when you take it out. Like, don't take it out before then. And I usually wear it out like Monday, Tuesday. It's like pow pow. And then like Wednesday, Thursday, it's like, okay, okay. And then Friday, it's Friday and like nobody's paying attention to you. You're getting ready for the weekend. Nobody's looking at you. So you have that advantage on a Friday. And then by then, like, you should have already moisturized it. Like by then I usually have already moisturized it and like it's shrunk it back up. The curl pattern has gone back to like my natural curl pattern, everything. So I would recommend like plan for like 3 to 4 days, 3 days of like wow, and then like, so plan accordingly, like schedule your twist out accordingly. Like I don't know if you're trying to like watching this because you're about to go like do something where you want to look really cute, or you're gonna go see someone and like whatever, like that's the time frame that I suggest. Yeah, plan for it to be like hottest like the day of when you take it out, and then it just kind of, you know, simmers down. And then get ready for your next either protective hairstyle, or me, like I would just be like, all right, cool, y'all saw it, now back to my afro. A flat twist out is hit or miss. I'll tell you, like it really just depends on how your hair wants to behave, whether it's gonna look like a good shape. Like I got lucky with this one, so I definitely was like, let me show it because it looks really nice. But with some twist outs, especially when you use flat twists, like it doesn't get any definition, so it's really just stretches your hair. And I mean, you can still do stuff with that, but like I don't know, for me, I don't really like to stretch my hair unless I'm gonna get it braided. Other than that, I like how it curls, so I just don't see the point if I don't get like a nice like pattern. It's good to see my hair, and I think that a lot of YouTubers have propped up with the same hair type as me. And you know, I definitely consumed a lot of that content, and I think, you know, it's good to, you know, if you learn something, figure something out, share that. Like it doesn't have to be a whole like entire dedicated channel to it, but you know, if you have a video here or there that lets someone know something that they don't have to figure out themselves after 3 years, like that'd be, you know, that'd be nice to just pay that forward. Oh, so hydrated. It's so hydrated. And I love when hair has dimension to it. Like it doesn't have to be like defined, but it's like if it's like broken up and like it doesn't have like a solid afro like round orb look, like I love that. And I love it when it's a little choppy on the surface. It looks like mountains. Like look up the Blue Ridge Mountains where I lived for quite some time. It looks like that. And those views are so beautiful. I tend to get a lot of knots when I'm taking out my flat twists, especially towards the end area, like right here. I don't really know how to avoid that, so if you have suggestions on how to avoid that, let me know. But yeah, that's one of the downsides. You could probably go through with a pick. Ow. This twist out came from medium-sized chunky twists, individual twists that are a little bit different from the ones that I'm about to show you. But this is the best twist out result I've gotten. So this twist out is a twist out that I did with mini twists. They took forever to twist. What I do is I take my hair. I have a wash routine that you can look at on this channel somewhere. Wash it. I put aloe vera gel in it, and I put aloe vera gel pretty liberally if I'm gonna do a twist out. And then I add oil, and then I use shea butter to like coat each strand and then twist it. And in the past I would like douse it, like it'd be like white with shea butter, but maybe kind of just have it be shiny. You don't need to like overdo it with the shea butter, because when you take it out it'll be a little bit like lighter, a little bit it'll, when it separates, it'll separate and it'll be a little more lifted and a little less heavy. So one of the twist outs that I did in this video is pretty heavy, and it basically just looks like locks or like little mini braids or something like that. So that is a look. So I'm just gonna take, I don't even know which way do I go, this way? I'm gonna take like pretty small amounts of hair. Maybe like this big. So not too chunky, but also not too small where it just looks like a bunch of hair. Or it's like 4 strands of hair in each twist, something like this. And the sizes will probably change depending on what section of the hair I'm in, because your hair should have different densities across it and different textures and all that stuff, so you definitely want to play it by ear. But yeah, I want them like about this size. Like, you don't notice your hair getting longer, and then when you twist it you're like, why am I still going? And it's because your hair grew. Let's see, this one might not be as big. I washed my hair while it was in twist up. I've had these twists since last week. It took me about 5 hours to do them, and that's usually how long it takes me to do mini twists, because you have to do the whole head, and I do them pretty small. But I had them in for a week, and before I showered, without shaking this, it has apple cider vinegar and water in the bottom. I sprayed my hair, and then I ran water over it, and then I put aloe vera gel and shea butter after I shook the thing and put the oil water on it, just to hydrate it and to just, like, you know, some parts of your hair get bent out of shape when it's in the bonnet and all that stuff, and so this just like gave the shape a little bit more life again. This video is sponsored by Q ginger beer. Q ginger beer for the fast life. No, but for real, this video is not sponsored by anything or anyone. This video is sponsored by me trying to help people who have 4C hair take care of their hair well, the way that I've learned with the past 2 years of having 4C hair. Because we all know it's not easy in these streets, especially when there's things that aren't catering to our hair specifically. It can be frustrating when you are told to expect one thing and your hair is like so this is just helping us, you know, work within the realities of our own hair. You can do a twist out on dry hair or wet hair. Wet hair, you're gonna get a little bit more shrinkage, but maybe a little bit more definition. Dry hair, obviously it's gonna be the opposite. It'll be stretched a little bit more, and it may or may not be as defined depending on what you use to twist your hair. I haven't done any twist outs with any kind of products like curl puddings or gels or anything like that. I usually steer clear of products, but I am always willing to give something a try. And I also do a lot of people's hair for fun because I just like doing hair because hair is fun. And I usually, like, people don't mind products, they kind of actually love products, and I take that opportunity to see how different products work. So this is the result of taking out my wiggle twists. I don't know if I left any in there, but it's not a big deal. But yeah, it just gives, I just like the texture that it gives my hair. Boom. And as always, please take a second to subscribe to this channel and to like this video if you like the content that you saw today.